is a traditional song. It's called "I'm Stretched on Your Grave" from the 1700s. I am stretched on your grave and I'll lie here forever. If your hand were in mine, I'd make sure we'd not sever. My apple tree, my brightness, it's time we were together. For I smell of the earth and I'm worn by the weather. When my family thinks I am safely in my bed, from morning till night I am stressed out at your head, crying out into the air with tears hot and wild for the loss of a girl I loved as a child. Do you remember the night, oh the night when we were lost in the shade of the blackthorn and the touch of the frost? Oh, and thanks be to Jesus, we did all that was right, and your maidenhead still is your pillar of light. Oh, the preachers and the friars, they approach me and beg, for I love you still, I'm alive and you are dead. Oh, and I will be your shelter through rain and through storm, and with you in your cold grave I cannot sleep warm.